viewers, welcome back with a new video, and this is the first time I'm gonna upload this type of video in my channel. It's an unboxing video. So today we are gonna unbox my phone, which is Samsung Galaxy M31. Yeah, you could see it properly. So we are gonna unbox this phone today. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button, and also don't forget to like my video, share my video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is given below in the description. Come, let's see the video. Okay guys, this is the one, M31 Samsung. So yeah, Samsung Galaxy M31. So actually it was already unboxed, so I repacked it, everything I said them. So just for the video I said them to repack it. So actually I'm doing it with one hand because I don't have a cameraman, only me. So we'll start to remove it. Careful. Okay. Angle. So okay, it's so shiny and reflective, so I do just scan this QR code and see. Printed with so ink, recyclable, but they have said Samsung sealed. Okay. Samsung Electric made in Vietnam. Is it good? Available memory capacity is subjected to printed images can be different from actual devices. Ayyo. So ready, 3 2 1 1 minute. Okay. Now this is just an empty cover. Samsung Galaxy M31. Imagine this phone falling now. Quad camera, 600 mAh battery, infinite U display. Galaxy M31. A fingerprint, see the camera. So I think hereafter our channel videos will be so good. Okay. Could you all see me? Yeah. So next we'll check the attached things. Charger, Samsung original, I think. Samsung original charger, and hand freeze earphone. Charger is, so let's remove it. Okay. Powered by Android, Samsung Galaxy M31. So it's working. So, and I brought a cover for it. A bold attempt is half success. Here. Samsung. Phone is starting. So it's working. Guys, I have put this cover.